friends, I'll show you a demonstration on whether you can override static methods. So here I have a class A. Inside class A, I'm having two methods. One is the instance method and the other one is the static method. And there is a class D which is extending class A, means that class D is the subclass and class A is the superclass. And inside class D, we are trying to override the static method sum of class A. Okay, so you can very clearly see, friends, sum in class A is the static method and we are trying to override it. And I am creating an object of class D and I am calling the method sum of class D, and I'll execute and show you what will be the output of this. So I am compiling the program. So I said java c d.java. So since there are you can see that very clearly that there is an compiler error arised. It says that a sum in D cannot override a sum in A because overridden method is static. Okay, so you can very clearly see that there is an error over here. So in Java you cannot override static methods. Okay friends, thank you for watching.